This is definitely turning to be a startling revelation now that comes in the crash investigation. Now, inside scoop that has come in, that flight AI-171 had arrived in Ahmedabad earlier that day as AI-423 from Delhi, and a technical glitch was found in the aircraft. The previous crew had logged a defect report related to a stabilizer sensor. Air India's on-duty maintenance engineer conducted the troubleshooting. Aircraft was cleared for the flight then. A stabilizer sensor transducer communicates basically with the flight control system. It controls the up and down movement of the nose as well. It also ensures, with the sensor, the accuracy on pilot inputs. But while this has been and continues to be investigated further, all layers are being seen. But what has happened is that according to a US media outlet, so I'm quoting again for you, an American media outlet has said that a cockpit recording of the dialogue between the two pilots in the Air India flight that crashed last month indicates the captain cut the flow of the fuel to the plane's engines. They're trying to pin it on the pilots. A cockpit recording of the dialogue between them indicates that the captain cut the flow of the fuel to the plane's engine. Second pilot asked the more experienced captain why he moved the fuel switches. And he said, "I did not do it." That's what has been said and mentioned. But is that the reality? Is it fair to just pin it on the pilots? Is that what happened? Let's listen in to some experts.
ये जो रिपोर्ट में कहीं पे भी ये नहीं कहा गया है कि पायलट की गलती से वो फ्यूल कंट्रोल स्विच को बंद किया गया, तो मैं ये निंदा करता हूँ वॉल स्ट्रीट जर्नल जिन्होंने ये आर्टिकल आज छापा है कि पायलट की गलती है और एयर इंडिया बोलता है कि जहाज ठीक था। इन्होंने रिपोर्ट ठीक से पढ़ी नहीं है और हम इनके ऊपर एक्शन लेंगे FIP के द्वारा।